You have probably heard about Cursor AI, Windsurf, and Codex. But which one actually lives up to the hype? I have tested all three, and today we are comparing these AI coding assistants head to head to see which one is worth your time. First, Cursor AI. If you are familiar with VS Code, Cursor is a form with AI built into every step. It got features like code rewrites, explanations, and smart refactors. You simply highlight the code, tell the AI what you want, and boom, Cursor handles it for you. It's super polished and perfect for solo developers or anyone who needs quick, effective prototyping. Cursor integrates AI directly into the IDE, streamlining your workflow while keeping you in control. It's an ideal choice if you are looking for something stable and local. On the other hand, Windsurf takes a more collaborative approach. It's designed for team-based projects, allowing multiple developers to work together seamlessly with AI assistance. The AI helps explain, write, and fix code, and it integrates chat features for better communication between team members. It's like Google Docs for code, but with smarter collaboration. However, Windsurf is still in early ages, so while it has great potential for team management, it is not as polished as Cursor just yet. Finally, OpenAI Codex. Codex is more of cloud-based AI coding assistant that's focused on software engineer tasks. It helps you with code generation, bug fixing, and proposing pull requests. The tasks run in individual cloud sandboxes preloaded with your repository, giving you a terminal-driven development experience. If you are into command line style coding and need parallel task management, Codex is ideal for you. Its cloud-first approach with extensive capabilities to handle larger-scale tasks across multiple platforms. So, here is the deal. Cursor AI is perfect if you are a solo developer or working with a small team and want an IDE that integrates AI smoothly into your workflow. Windsurf is for you if you are all about collaborative development with AI-enhanced teamwork, especially if you are working with a group and need something to keep everyone in the same page. Codex is great pick if you need a cloud-based tool that handles multiple tasks in parallel and integrates seamlessly with your repository. So, which one do you think is perfect for your workflow? Let me know in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe.